You can open the drop-down menu. It's injection well. Okay. And then here I take this one, TVD MD data for both log and wellbore. Yeah. So we apply the same TVD MD relationship for both the well log and the wellbore configuration. Okay, if you want to delete the well here, if you want to add new offset well, you can click this button. Okay, now let's say I've prepared my last data. I can import here by clicking on this button, import button, or load last if you have last data. I want to show you the last data first. Okay, so this is not last data, this is the text file. Okay, showing the MD and TVD profile, exactly what you see in this table. But I don't have north, south, or east-west. I only have this one, two-dimensional trajectory. Okay, so we will load this one, load this text file. Okay, by clicking on this button. Okay, import. Now here, I touch this one, click open. Okay, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 is MD, column 2 is TVD. You can make it MD depth and TVD depth. This is the unit of measurement, feet. Okay. So yeah, if everything has been set up, you can import and replace data. Exactly the same with previous table. Okay, you can show the TVD or the MD. All right. You can of course input and modify manually if you want. All right, and then click OK. Okay, so we can check here frac data, frac pack, no data for frac pack. You see, we need to input many parameters, right? But that's okay because we want to do proper design. So for the production data here, okay, production data, well name or ID is this one, X007. Completion data, the top perf and bottom perf in true vertical depth has been populated automatically. Okay, and flow ID here, flow string, and then wellbore radius, pre-frac skin, well type, horizontal. By the way, we can skip this one. This will not influence the modeling for actually, but if you want to have production data analysis, you need to input in this section. Okay, so let's say we click OK first and go back to simulator data and then frac data here. This is the most important thing. Yeah, economic data we can also skip right now. This is the default setting, the pricing, gas oil price, annual escalation rate, the cost, drilling and completion, monthly operating, annual escalation, the burden, working interest, royalty interest, tax rate, and discount rate. The default setting. The frac cost, if you want to do economic analysis, right, you need to input the equipment, the horsepower, frac tank, and sand silo, and also the miscellaneous fixed charges, miscellaneous charges, service company discount. If you want to do optimization, this is for the fluid data, propan data, and if you have some notes. But I want to follow this track, okay?